What's up and good day everyone. Techno Peeps are here again, back with a new episode, and today's podcast we are discussing about knowledge management and decision support systems. I am Lara.
I'm Crispin.
I'm Fitz.
And I am Althea.
Ayan. By the way guys, Happy New Year nga pala.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So, ayun. To give a brief background about the whole topic, so knowledge management, or what we call KM, involves the systematic organization, creation, sharing, and utilization of an organization's knowledge assets to enhance its effectiveness. So it encompasses processes, strategies, and technologies aimed at capturing, storing, and disseminating knowledge within an organization. So, yung decision support systems naman, or what we call DSS, sila yung information systems designed to assist decision makers in making informed and timely decisions by providing relevant data and analytical tools. So, yung DSS, nag-utilize siya ng mga various technologies such as data
like GPS? Sorry.
Yeah. Ano?
GPS, Global Positioning System.
Yeah. And ayun, and yung modeling niya. Tapos, nag-analyze siya ng mga complex information and nagsusupport ng decision-making process. So, yung kabuuan nun is, yung KM at saka yung DSS ay meron siyang mahalagang papel in leveraging organizational knowledge para mapadali yung pagdedesisyon at saka mapabuti yung pangkalahatang performance ng business. So, ayun. Let's proceed to decision support naman. So, when we say decision support, mostly dito nakasalalay yung success ng isang business or organization. So, nagpo-provide dito ng information, data analysis, and tools to help individuals or organization make informed decisions. So, yung example nito, yung healthcare settings, decision support system. Yung healthcare settings ng decision support system nila is nag-a-assist sila yung mga doctors, nag-a-assist sila sa pagda-diagnose at saka sa pag-treat ng patients. So, ayun. Kayo ba guys? Ano sa tingin nyo yung decision support?
Like recommendation systems.
As far as I know, decision support is somehow the emerge of data warehouses and online processing, or we call OLAP, and technologies enhance employees and abilities at all levels to use data effectively.
So ako kasi, ang pagkaintindi ko dun sa decision support system, siya, parang computerized program na nagsusupport ng mga determinations, pati mga courses ng action para sa mga organization or sa mga businesses.
According to Herbert Simon, meron daw 3 phases yung decision making, which is yung intelligence, yung number 1 phase, which is nag-involve siya ng pag-identify at saka pag-gather ng mga relevant information para maintindihan natin yung problem tsaka madesisyonan, ganon. And then yung pangalawa is yung design, which is sa phase na to, they develop potential solutions or alternative based on the information gathered sa first phase. And then yung last phase is yung choice na tinatawag nila. Dito, sa part na to, nagse-select sila ng most appropriate solution from the alternatives generated during the phase. So, overall, yung 3 phases na to, highlights the iterative and dynamic nature of decision making. So, ini-emphasize nila yung need for continuous adaptation and refinement as new information becomes available na. So, ayun. Let's proceed naman to structured and unstructured problems. So, ayun. Meron tayong tinatawag dito na so dito pala, meron silang malinaw tsaka tiyak na mga solutions na madalas pina-follow na process or procedure. So, example nito is yung, pwede yung company na nagpa-follow ng standard protocol or processing employee, ayun, nagpa-process ng mga payroll where, where the steps and calculations are, predetermined. So, ayun. On the other hand naman, yung structured problems naman, naglalak siya on clear solutions and may involve ambiguity and uncertainty. So, ang example nito is addressing complex societal issues such as poverty reducing or environmental sustainability. Kasi they often present problems. So, these issues involves multiple perspectives, variable factors, and no single straightforward solution. So, overall, yung classification of a problem as structured and unstructured influences the choice of problem-solving approaches, tools, and strategies employed in various contexts, whether in business, governments, or initiatives. Sa inyo ba, guys? Ano ba ang structured and unstructured problems?
Well, what you gave us is similar to the UN United Sustainable Development Goals. So it's I think that's a good idea of what that is.
So, yun nga, pag mga example ng mga structured problem, parang mga yung mga customer returns or mga purchase to when a supplier is late and with an important delivery, a new system response. Parang kung paano siya mag-respond yung client dun sa yung pagkaintindi ko dun sa structured problem.
For me, structured problems are the one that is straightforward problems which can be determined and solved by repeating examination and testing on the problems, while unstructured problems are the difficulties introduced to an organization when facing unusual situation, and their solution are different and sometimes unique. And one example of is selecting warehouse facilities.
Digging more deeply into decision support system. So, yung DSS nga, as mentioned kanina, are information systems that assist decision makers in making informed choices by providing relevant data, analytical tools, and models. So, tumutulong sila sa pag-a-analyze ng mga complex information and support decision-making process in various domains.
Can I add? Dun sa structured problem kasi parang ito, for example, a company wants to optimize its inventories to avoid both overstocks and delivery bottlenecks. There are standardized solution approaches that can be applied to optimize the inventories. For example, dun sa store ko na na Siomai King, may mga 'di ba, para malimit yung kailangan ng inventory na tinatawag para ma-monitor yung mga sa sales.
And ayun na nga. So, dito naman tayo sa expert systems naman. So, yung expert systems, they are AI-based systems that mimics human expertise in a specific field. So, gumagamit sila ng knowledge representation and inference mechanism to provide expert level advice and solutions, which often relies on predefined rules and logic reasoning. So, yun. Habang yung DSS nagpo-focus siya sa general decision support, yung expert systems naman, nagsispecialize sila in providing in-depth domain-specific knowledge and recommendations. So, ayun. So, syempre, meron silang advantage and disadvantages. So, aside sa benefits nila na nakukuha, meron ding risk factors. So, even if they increase efficiency, faster decision making, improve accuracy, and better resource allocation, so they also have potential for errors, reliance on potentially biased algorithms, reduce human oversight, and ethical concerns regarding privacy and fairness. Sa inyo ba, guys? What do you think of automated decision makings tsaka yung expert systems na?
Kasi ako, for example, parang yung mga automation, rinig ko. So yung mga automation, parang they heavily rely on data. And tapos yun, mga accuracy and quality, talagang doon lang naka-base. So kunwari, for example, ChatGPT, ang mga ano lang sa ChatGPT, kung ano yung mga naka-base sa na data last 2021, tapos mga data ngayon 2023, hindi siya na-apply. Nagiging inaccurate siya or biased siya.
Ayun.
So for me naman, this decision support system is one of an interactive system that helps in decision makers utilize data and models to solve unstructured or semi-structured problems. While expert system is a problem-solving computer program that achieves good performance in a specialized problem domain. Well, in this, we consider difficult and it requires special knowledge and skills as well.
I just agree with like Crispin's answer. I like, it's like what you said, like, you know, it can be like
Sige, go. Kaya mo yan.
like those mga automated answers when you search, it's like it may not be the answer you might be looking for, or so there's some bias, I think, or it's relies on data that may not be what you're looking for. So it's like it really depends on the data that's been given to that system.
Meron din tayong tinatawag na group decisions and support systems. So dito, they are collaborative technologies designed to improve decision making within a group or team setting. So nagpo-provide sila ng platform for members to share information, ideas, and perspective in real time. So madalas din nilang ini-incorporate yung mga communication tools like video conferencing and messaging to facilitate discussion sa mga members nila across the globe or sa malalayo.
I'll just add something dun sa sinabi mo about group decision support system, because we all know how important to have a support from your group mates as well as to reduce the losses that can result from working as a group, while keeping or enhancing the gains that group can work or can yield. And this will help in growing body of empirical research that has examined the effects of GDSS used on a group of performance.
To connect this more about sa communication tools ng group decisions and support systems, meron tayong tinatawag na graphic information system. So, yung graphic information system or what we call GIS, sila yung computer-based systems that designed to capture, analyze, interpret, and visualize spatial data. So, nag-i-integrate sila ng mga various types of geographical information such as maps, satellite imagery, and data layers to facilitate decision analysis. So, inaalaw rin nila yung mga users to examine and understand relationships, patterns, and trends in geographical data by overlaying different layers of information. So, example nito yung urban planning, environmental management, disaster response, and epidemiology. So, dito, they enhance the ability to make informed decisions and solve complex problems related to geography and location.
So ano kasi, yung with GIS technology, people can compare the locations of different things in order to discover how they relate to each other. For example, using GIS, a single map could include sites that produce pollution, such as factories, and sites that are sensitive to pollution, such as wetlands and rivers. Such as a map would help people determine where water supplies are most at risk.
I'll just give an example of GIS. In GIS can show for example, on how many doctors are there in a neighborhood compared with the area's population. With GIS technology, researchers can also look at change over a time.
Aside from the decision support systems, we'll go on naman to business intelligence and knowledge management. So in here, business intelligence, or what we call BI, involves the use of data analysis tools and processes to gather, organize, and analyze business data, providing actionable insights for informed decision making. So sa pamamagitan ng BI systems, tinutulungan nila yung mga organizations to understand market trends, customer behavior, and operational efficiencies. So, on the other hand, meron tayong tinatawag na knowledge management, or yung KM, which focuses on the systematic creation, organization, and dissemination of an organization's knowledge assets. So, dito, they aim to enhance collaboration, innovation, and problem solving by leveraging internal expertise and intellectual resources. So, while BI emphasizes data-driven decision making through analytics, so yung KM naman is concerned with capturing, sharing, and utilizing organizational knowledge to improve overall effectiveness. So, yung sa BI tools, meron silang visualization, dashboards, and reporting features enabling users to interpret data trends easily. While sa KM naman, they have strategies that encompass processes, technologies, and cultural initiatives to foster knowledge-sharing culture within an organization. Sa inyo ba, guys? What do you think about business intelligence and knowledge management?
So for me, BI is used in sales, marketing, finance, and operations. So to share data and to identify new opportunities kasi.
So ayun, meron din tayong aside from BI and KM, meron din tayong data mining and online analysis. As parang kanina yung na-mention ni Althea na yung OLAP, or yung tinatawag nilang online analytical process. So sa data mining, it involves the discovery of patterns and knowledge from large data sets by employing various techniques such as machine learning, statistical analysis, and pattern recognitions. So, nag-aim ito to cover, nag-aim ito to uncover hidden relationships, trends, and insights within the data, enabling informed decision making. So, yung online analysis naman, yung kaninang sinabi ko, or yung what we call OLAP, the online analytical processing, nagpo-focus naman ito on interactive analysis of multidimensional data. So, it allows user to explore and navigate data cubes. So, yung OLAP systems, nagpo-provide siya na dynamic and user-friendly interface for querying and visualizing data. So, enable nito yung mga users to gain insights to different dimensions of the data quickly. So, yung sa data mining is more concerned with discovering patterns and knowledge. And it is often in a large historical data sets. So while yung online analysis, it is oriented towards interactive, real-time exploration and reporting of data.
So I'll add something lang about data mining and what you have said, that sabi nga ni Lara, data mining refers to a knowledge from a huge amount of data. And data mining has also properties or what we call properties of data mining. And these are the key properties of data mining. For the first one is finding patterns automatically. Second one is focus on huge data sets and databases, as well as predict the outcomes and creation of actionable information. And for yung sa OLAP naman, I'll just give an brief info about it. In OLAP and data mining look similar since they operate on data to gain knowledge. But the major difference is how they operate on data. Because OLAP tools provide multi-dimensional data and analysis in a summary of data. And OLAP, as well as the key features, as well as it supports complex calculation, time intelligence. It has a multi-dimensional view of data and business-focused calculation. And lastly, the flexible and self-service reporting.
So yan. The importance of data mining and analysis is growing day by day in our real life. Today, most organizations use data mining for analysis of big data. So for example, mga Globe, ano pa ba mga natin, Smart, mobile service providers use data mining to design their marketing campaigns and to retain customers from moving to other vendors. From a large amount of data such as billing information, email, text messages, web data transmissions, and customer service, the data mining tools can predict that tells the customer who are looking to change the vendors.
Moving forward, aside from data mining and online analysis, ito na yung main highlight, isa sa mga main highlight natin aside sa decision support system, which is the knowledge management. So, to add up more infos about KM a while ago, so KM aims to foster a culture of collaboration and innovation by providing employees with easy access to relevant informations and expertise. So, yung successful knowledge management strategies, they often involve the use of technology such as intranets, databases, and collaboration platforms to facilitate information sharing. And ayun, lastly, nagko-contribute ito to improve decision making, problem solving, and organizational learnings.
May benefits din naman ng effective knowledge management. And first one is this encourage collaboration because this enables collaboration and more effective exchange of ideas, leading to better decision making and better and faster decision making. Helps in enhancing cost and experience and improving business prospects for the company. And second one is this avoids duplication of efforts. This helps firms to enhance operational efficiency and save time and effort. And as well as this enables digital transformation. We all know that organizations quicken the pace of digitalization. They have a plethora of structured and unstructured data. A well-defined knowledge management allows them to use the information for their growth and benefit.
So yun nga, and ano rin, to add, educational institutes such as schools and universities typically implement an information management system. These systems allow education employees to track learning progression, communicate with students, distribute learning documents, and review student performances.
Like in Blackboard.
Explain further about Blackboard. I mean,
Because of what Crispin said, like for education.
Alright.
okay.
Yeah, because they use information management system.
Yeah, and it helps us because we can see what our progress in your grades.
Okay, guys.
So
ayun.
mag-add lang ako something about the process of knowledge management. So, however, companies cannot take complete advantage of this knowledge if it's reported via the set channels and documented or made readily available to required teams and its members. Many times, business are suffering from a crucial point when a team member quits or retires. An employee amasses a lot of experience during their stint at a company. If the required knowledge is not documented and managed, the continuity of the team and function suffer because of the employees that leaves, retires, or somehow wanna transfer other companies or whatsoever. So knowledge management is not just about deploying software or a digital tool to capture the information or data in the company's system. It involves a fundamental change in the workforce mindset to foster a culture of sharing and collaboration across the organization. And lastly, this can be easily facilitated through the set policies and guidelines for the success of a knowledge management system depends on the management ensures that employees and particularly team leads documents and share newly identified knowledge regularly.
By wrapping the whole topic about this podcast, so in essence, the collaboration between knowledge management and decision support system is pivotal for organizational success. So yung KM, it streamlines organizational knowledge, fostering collaborations, while the DSS equips decision makers with essential data and tools for effective decision making. So, the examination of structured and unstructured problems, guided by Herbert Simon's decision-making phases. So it emphasizes adaptability and problem solving. So the integration of automated decisions naman, group decision systems, GIS, BI, and data mining. It provides a versatile toolkit for addressing complex challenges in various industries. So, overall, this holistic approach underscores the importance of leveraging knowledge and technology for organizational efficiency. So, ayun, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for listening and see you on our next episode.